Today, we're heading to the stunning Banyan Tree, Mayakoba. It's a luxury resort located in Mexico's Riviera Maya, about 45 minutes from Cancun. It's set within the exclusive Mayakoba complex, which is known for its beautiful blend of nature and high-end experiences. The resort is surrounded by lush mangroves, natural lagoons, and the pristine coastline of the Caribbean Sea. I had a luxury of staying at one of the beachfront villas. These are some of the most exclusive and luxurious accommodations you can find at the resort. The villas are located on the ground floor and give you direct and exclusive walk-in access to the white sands and Caribbean Sea. The villas is designed to feel like a private sanctuary. It has a spacious bedroom with floor-to-ceiling windows, allowing natural light to flood in and offer incredible views of the ocean. The design is a blend of modern luxury with touches of traditional Mexican design. As you move toward the far end of the villa, you'll discover this beautifully designed private outdoor oasis that truly feels like your own personal spa. Here you have a whirlpool tub and a rainforest shower. The shower is open to the sky but still tucked away for privacy, giving you that perfect blend of luxury and nature. The whole area is crafted to make you feel relaxed and pampered. But the centerpiece of this villa is of course the sun deck, with your personal plunge pool. What makes this villa really special is the sense of seclusion it offers. You have your own little slice of paradise, where you can wake up to the sound of the waves and unwind in complete privacy. There are two main pools at the resort, each located on opposite ends of the property, offering their own unique charm. The one closest to our villa was just steps away from the Caribbean Sea, with crystal clear water and an incredibly tranquil atmosphere. Most days there were fewer than 10 people around, making it feel like our own peaceful retreat. The water was refreshingly cool, even cooler than the sea itself, which made it hard to choose between the two. Honestly, it felt like having the best of both worlds. We did arrive just after a hurricane, so there was some seaweed on the beach and a few sandboxes around, but that's really my only complaint. The resort is huge. It's set within the lush mangroves and canals of the Riviera Maya, blending beautifully with its natural surroundings. The architecture strikes a perfect balance between modern luxury and traditional Mayan influences, featuring high ceilings, earthy tones, and natural materials like wood and stone that create a warm atmosphere. There are 6 unique restaurants to enjoy, 5 of which are located on the main campus, along with a gym and spa. While the walk from the main lobby to the beach is a bit of a distance, the resort offers complimentary bikes, or you can always hop on a golf cart for a quick, easier ride. And of course, no vacation is complete without a tropical storm. Well, more like a heavy downpour. Overall, my experience at this resort was nothing short of amazing. The service was exceptional and everything else exceeded expectations. There are really not enough words to describe how magical this place is.